So today I'm going to show you the 1/2" 3-piece telescopic ratchet kit. This is an amazing kit. It's like having so many ratchets in one. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab our ratchet head. And we just pop it on here. It locks right into place. And then if you need a longer one, you just press these buttons here and extend it out. Down here at the bottom, there's this little plug. We're going to pull that out. And this is almost like a little key so that you're not hurting your fingers and you can easily pop off that head to switch it out. And we'll put it back in there so we don't lose it. And then we're going to grab the 1/2" flex head. We can put that right on there. And automatically, look, now we have a breaker bar. Vim also has other attachments available. They got the wrench extender attachment, and then we got the spring-loaded crawfoot wrench. And I'm going to show you both of those here in a moment. We're going to get this head off of here, again, using our little key. So on this wrench extender, we'll just pop it on there, put it in place. And then we're going to grab our wrench. This one is a 1 5/8 wrench. This is the largest one that I could find that would fit in there nicely. And then you can extend your wrench. Get that extra oomph that you need to break those bolts free. All right, again, we're going to take our little key, easy, pop it out. And then we are going to grab our spring-loaded crawfoot wrench. This measures a 20mm to a 48mm or a 13/16 to a 1 7/8. I'm going to go ahead and grab my 1-inch pipe here and show you how it grabs onto it. And then you just twist. Just as easy as that. So now with these extra ones, you now have a 5-piece kit. Brand new to Vim right now is the flex ratcheting attachment, which I'm going to go over in another video with you about that. And then you also have the joint attachments. These you can purchase and also use with your telescopic ratcheting kit. So just like the others, we're going to pop this right on, lock it in place. You can see just how versatile this ratchet kit is and can be with building from Vim tools. They have thought of everything when it comes to your toolbox and how to efficiently have the best tools. We can also take any of the low profile socket sets. This is an impact socket set, and it will lock into there. You gotta push it in pretty good, lock it in, and there you go. And these are all 1/2". And then if we need a little bit more force, we will just extend and pull this right out of there. Again, it locks in place, so you have to use a little bit of force with this one. And then, of course, now that our job is complete, we're going to put all of our tools away. All of these are available for purchase from our website, ridgetoolbox.com, or in our store at Herbert's Tool and Equipment Warehouse. We're located at 3129 South Main Street in Mineral Ridge, Ohio.